Cheesy egg toast. Cheesy egg toast is so yummy and also very nutritious. The perfect way to start any day. It's simple and easy to make cheesy egg toast. Here's what you've got to do. First, press and make a circular hole in the middle of a piece of bread. Next, butter the bread. After that, crack an egg into the middle. After that, garnish with cheese around the edges. Lastly, bake in the oven or toaster oven for 10 minutes. Then bite in, enjoy. It's delicious. Try it at home yourself.